We live in a world that praises endless hustle, that teaches us that worth is measured by what we produce. But your body, your mind, your spirit, they are not machines. You are human, and humans are meant to rest. You are allowed to pause, to breathe, to slow down. Rest is not laziness. It is restoration. It is resistance against a world that wants you to burn out. Your worth is not tied to productivity. You are enough simply because you are here. So give yourself permission to stop, permission to stretch, permission to nap, permission to do nothing at all. When you care for yourself, you remind your body that it is safe. You remind your mind that it is valued. You remind your heart that it is loved. Self-care does not always look like candles and baths. Sometimes it looks like silence. Sometimes it looks like asking for help. Sometimes it looks like putting the phone away. Whatever form it takes, your self-care matters because you matter. So today, be gentle with yourself. Allow rest to be part of your healing. Allow care to be your daily practice. You are worthy of it. You always have been.